You're about to see 30 tools so downright cool, they'll have you grinning like a kid in a candy shop. These aren't your average tools. These are the wild, brilliant, shut up and take my money kind of finds. From mind-blowing upgrades to everyday lifesavers, here are 30 Amazon game changers you'll want in your hands yesterday. Cordless concrete vibrator. Sounds intense, but it's all business. It keeps your concrete smooth, bubble-free, and professional without being chained to a power outlet. A small strap with a big personality, this thing holds screws, nails, and bits like it owns them. It's like having a tiny toolbox wrapped around your arm. Pocket-sized but full of attitude, this knife flips open smoothly and locks in place like it's ready for business. Cuts through the boring and the stubborn with the same confidence. The kind of gadget that makes you feel like a precision engineer. Every twist gets measured down to the decimal, so there's no guesswork, only perfection. This shaping ruler feels like a cheat code for perfect measurements. It bends, locks, and adapts to any shape, so your cuts come out flawless every time. Looks harmless, but it turns any paint job into a speed run. Smooth coats, zero streaks, and a finish that makes brushes jealous. Not your average screwdriver, this little powerhouse spins fast and packs bits for every job. It's the "why didn't I own this earlier" kinda tool. Small enough for a desk, strong enough to hold your wildest projects in place. Once it bites down, it's not letting go. Small but ridiculously powerful, this little blower sends dust flying in seconds. Perfect for cleaning tight spots without breaking a sweat. A secret weapon for joints so clean, they look factory-made. Even beginners can crank out pro-level woodwork with this thing. Light in the hand, but heavy on performance. Shrinks, strips, and softens anything you pointed at in seconds. A lifesaver disguised as a pen. Drops happen. This thing reaches down, grabs the metal, and saves your dignity. Precise enough to make your tape measure feel insecure. One click and it tells you exactly what you need to know, down to a hair. Lean, mean, and always sharp. Just snap and keep cutting like you never dulled it in the first place. Feels solid in the hand and makes every turn buttery smooth. Once you go ratchet, you'll never go back. A ruler that refuses to stay basic. Angles, lines, and layouts all bow to its versatility. Surprisingly compact for how much power it spits out. Tires, balls, and inflatables don't stand a chance. Looks like a sci-fi blaster, but shoots pure temperature readings. Point, click, and instantly know what's hot or not. Heavy, steady, and always accurate. If you need dead straight holes, this is the boss. Old school grip with a modern twist. It clamps down hard, no matter how stubborn the pipe. A neat freak's dream in fabric form. Every tool gets a home, and rolling it up is oddly satisfying. This silicone mat laughs in the face of heat and chaos. From soldering projects to hot glue spills, it keeps your workspace safe and spotless. These shears slice through branches like they're butter on the warm day. With no cords to trip over, pruning feels more like play than work. Built for speed and zero hassle, this rivet gun makes metalwork feel effortless. No cords, no struggle, just smooth, solid rivets every time. Compact but powerful, this planer glides through wood like butter. Every pass leaves a smooth, even finish that feels professionally done. Small yet incredibly smart, this adapter turns any ratchet into a precision torque tool. Every click gives you the exact tightness without second guessing. A tiny box with a big job, this inverter keeps your gadgets alive anywhere. Road trips feel a lot smoother when your car doubles as a power source. Small but fierce, this soldering gun heats up fast and gets straight to work. Fixing, crafting, or tinkering, it makes every project feel effortless. Sleek and sneaky, this mirror slips into tight spots your eyes can't reach. Perfect for catching every hidden detail without crawling into awkward spaces. Sharp and smooth in action, this cutter slices through PVC like it's warm butter. A clean cut every time without the sore hands. 30 tools, 0 excuses. Now you've seen the kind of gear that turns Just another project into a full-blown flex. The only question left is, which one's hitting your toolbox first?